everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I thought we would do a little casual vlog style organize with me and decorate with me. This weekend I went to like all my favorite home stores like TJ Maxx, Ross Dress for Less, Home Goods. Where else did I go? World Market. And I grabbed so many different things, so many cute decorating things, and then really practical organization things, mostly for my kitchen. So today I just kind of want to put everything together, show you guys what I got and how I'm using it around my house. So let's go ahead, get upstairs, and I'll show you guys what I got. All right, so I kind of have like a whole pile of things over here ready to show you guys. The first thing is something super random, but I got these really cute beach chairs. I have to show you guys what these look like. These have nothing to do with this house at all, but I thought since we drive down to the beach pretty often, I could get 3 beach chairs, 1 of each color, and we could just sit in the sand. So I got a blue, a green, and a pink so we can all sit on the beach together. But yeah, I just picked these up yesterday, so I thought I might as well show you guys this as well. I just want to keep all these in the trunk of my car so they're just ready to go whenever we're out. But I got them from this store called Big Lots. I'm not really sure what Big Lots is all about, but it's really affordable, and these were $10 each. Henry, are you looking at your outdoor friends? He loves this sliding door. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. He's never got to see outside so much in his life. And then for this whole like dining room area, I wanted something for over here. And I've been wanting this table for so long. It's called the Glasgow console table from Target. I just love the simple shape of it. I feel like you could put some nice baskets underneath it, decorate it really nicely, but I had to get it. I've been wanting it for so long, and it's called the Glasgow console table. And my whole family's from Glasgow, Scotland, so I thought, it's pretty appropriate. I'm just gonna get it. So today I'm gonna be putting that together. I hope it's like easy to put together and just like there's not too many instructions, because I just want like a simple build. And if I need help, I'll call Christian. But it looks really, really simple, and I'm just so excited for the way it's gonna look. And then this whole pile of stuff that I got from all these different stores. So I got stuff from World Market, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Ross Dress for Less. I'll show you guys what's inside of all this. I guess I'll just put you on the counter and sit on the floor. So this first thing here is from Ross. It was $4.99, and it's a pan organizer. It stands up like this, and then you can put all your different size pans in there, because my cupboard is like, you know, filled with pans, and it's so annoying to pull things out of there. So if I can make it a little neater, I hope this helps. I think it can also stand like this, yeah. And then you can slide them in there as well. But I'm gonna be organizing the pans today and try and make that look a little neater. Ooh, and then I got this drying mat rack. It's so cool, it's like a double purpose thing, but you know, when you wash your dishes, you have like your drying mat. This one actually has a rack built into it so that you could like line up your plates and everything can like sit on top of that neatly instead of it being in a huge pile. So I thought that was kind of cool. It was $5.99. I thought, might as well get it because I think that's pretty interesting. And then I got my very first steamer, and I don't know if this is a good steamer or not. I haven't even taken it out of the package, obviously, but it was $7.99. I thought, wow, that's really affordable. I might as well try it. But I'm so sick of pulling out the ironing board and the iron. It just seems like such a process. So if this makes ironing easier and steaming is a faster way of doing it, I'll definitely be using this. Then I got these 2 3-tiered shelves, and I'm gonna be using these for spices. And I'm so excited to organize my spice drawer, because right now, actually no, it's a spice cupboard. Right now, I just can't see anything except for the front row, you know? Everything's all the same size, you can't see what's at the back. So I thought this is really gonna help stack everything up. Then I can see all my spices from the front to the back. So I'm excited to try these out. I got these from Ross as well, and they were $5.99. So I got all these different like organization things for my kitchen from there, and they had so much more. Like, I'm definitely gonna go back there and find more organizing things, because that just makes organizing more fun when you have like cool products. And I know this has nothing to do with decor or organizing, but I found these cute sandals from TJ Maxx, so I thought might as well show you guys everything that I got. These were $29. I like the double straps. I love that they're 2 different colors, and they have like a little bit of a raised heel so they're not too flat. And then I finally got myself a rug pad. I've never bought these before. I don't know, my rugs just never seem to like slip around, but now they are, since they're on these tiled floors. So I just got this from Home Goods, $7.99 for a 2x8. And then one of my favorite things that I got was from World Market. It's this cute little bath mat. How nice is this? I love this whole like Moroccan boho style, and I thought this was perfect. I've been looking for something this style for quite a while now, and finally found it at World Market. It has these cute little tassels, and the design that you see on there is kind of painted on and not woven in. So I thought that's kind of a different look. It kind of looks distressed in the little little weathered, so it's not perfect, but I love it. And I just am such a big fan of World Market. If you guys haven't been there for like home decor stuff, they have everything and such cool styles, and everything's always very trendy, and they have pretty good prices. Like this was $21, so that's pretty good for like a cute little bath mat. And then the last thing I got was this great jute rug. It's, I think, a 2x6 long runner, and I just love the pattern built in on this. It's all tied in and raised and textured, and it has these nice little fringes at the end. I just think it's a cute jute rug. Like jute rugs are usually just very plain and square, that kind of thing, but I thought this really added some style in, and you really get that whole natural feel. So I thought I could use this kind of like at the entrance and use this underneath my bench where I keep my shoes. I'll show you guys what I mean and where I'm gonna put it, but I need your opinions on what it looks like, because I laid it down, I'm like, I don't know if I need something brighter, so I wanted to show you guys in this video so you guys could kind of like tell me if I should keep it or not. It was $29, and I think that's a great price for a 2x6, because I find these long ones, they're really hard to find in stores. They're actually really cute, so I'm really happy I found this. I'm gonna make it work somewhere in here. I just need to figure out where's the best place in the house for it. Of course, Henry's always here scoping out the scene, trying to get in bags. But anyways, I think I'm gonna start with these tiered racks and head over to my spices so that we can start organizing this. I'll show you guys what the before looks like. Whoa. See what I mean? I have like a little rack going on there, but it's not really holding much, and I just can't see what's at the back there. I just hate pushing all this out of the way. So I want this to be very visual, look like a store when you open up this cupboard, and I think these are gonna help me. Okay, I'm all done. Look at the difference those spice racks made. Wow! It looks like a grocery store now. And now onto organizing my pans. So take a look at my pan drawer. This isn't even it full. I actually have a ton of like dirty pans in my sink in the dishwasher right now. So right now we're just working with this, which actually is not too bad. And now that I'm seeing this, I probably should have gotten one for each shelf. I don't know why I only grabbed one of these. I have way more pans than I thought I did. So I might have to go back to the store someday and grab another one. So I ended up organizing it like this on a horizontal. This one looks a little crazy because it's too big to fit in the little like organizer. But I have all my smaller pans here. All of my bigger pans are actually still in the sink. So those will probably fit down here later. I've never had my pans organized like this, and I think it's game changing because you don't hear that big clash every time you try and pull a pan out. I just love the way that looks so much better now. Can't wait to see what this looks like because I feel like this is such a good design and concept. I don't know why it's not done sooner. So it rolls out. I just realized that this isn't attached, so you could kind of put it anywhere, but it just fits right into these little elastic bands here, so that stays where it's supposed to be. But I think this is such a good idea, such a cool design, and I really hope this makes my countertop look a lot neater. I just want to try this out and see what it would look like with plates in here. Wow, this really is a space saver. Because I would have these all jumbled up leaning against the wall before. That actually makes so much more sense. This thing is brilliant for $5. Wow. Now onto the rug placement. I'm gonna be putting this cute little rug in this bathroom. So it's right off the kitchen. This is what it looks like right now, just gray tile. I was thinking this would look so cute in here. Just helps brighten up the floor. I love the style of it. It fits perfectly in here, so you can use it for the toilet and the sink. And I think it just looks really good with the little plants. We still have some more like decorating to do in here, put things on the walls. But I just love the way this looks in this bathroom. It really helps tie in all the whites and the grays. I think it's the perfect rug. I just have to take the tag off of this. There we go. The rug is officially staying. Look at this guy. Henry, what's with you in bags? Oh, that's a good cat. So my idea for this rug was to have it here by the front door. So we have this whole like bench and plant and pillow situation. We got our shoes here. Right here at the front door is just a big long hallway with, oh my God, more boxes that need to be put away. But I was trying to find a long runner to go in here, and the biggest one I found in stores was this 2x6. So it definitely doesn't take up the whole hallway. I might need to change it up and get a longer one day, but I think for now, this one's gonna look cute. So I'm still not 100% sold on this rug. I haven't taken the tags off yet because I'm still not sure. So I need your help, I need your opinions on what you guys think. But with all this gray and white, I thought something lighter on the floor would make more sense, but then I found this and really liked it. I just love the pattern of it and like the style, but I think maybe something lighter and longer would make more sense. Henry, you're always here. And now that I'm looking at this, I think that this little like side table stool thing would look better over here than this plant. And maybe the plant could go in this corner. That looks cute there. And then this could maybe go over here. Maybe with like this plant on top. Okay, now that I just made that little change, I think that this area looks better now, and it actually matches a lot better, and the colors are tying in more. Plus that plant looks really cute there. So guys, definitely let me know down below in the comments what you guys think of this whole area, minus those buckets. Pretend those aren't there. Let me know what you guys think of the new rug, the placement. If you guys like it, I'll remove this tag. I think it's working. I love the vibe. Right when you walk in, you see the style, you know, work your way upstairs, you see that style. It all is working together. Oh, Henry, are you waiting for me? He's so cute. He follows me everywhere. So now that everything is back in its place, I think I want to start building this table now. I just can't wait to have this decorated and just looking a little more put together. I just always walk into this space and feel like that whole side is so bare, but I'm just really hoping it's not hard to put together. It's such a heavy box, like, oh my gosh. It says team lift on it so that you need multiple people to lift it, and I lifted it in and out of my cart, into the car, up and down the stairs here. It's Henry. He's been messing around with those bags all day. Oh my God, he's inside of it. Okay, anyways, while he's doing that, I'm building this table. That probably took me a little longer than it should have, even though it was like super simple to put together. It's just like really heavy and a little hard to twist things. But now is the moment of truth to see what this table looks like standing up against this window. Oh my goodness, this is heavy. Ooh. I love the way this turned out. I think it fits perfectly under the window. I love that it's black and super simple and matches with the dining room table. I just feel like it really completes this whole chunk of the dining room area. I think this table is exactly what I wanted. I love the style of it. I think it's gonna look so good when it's all decorated and styled. I'm gonna go around the house now and see all the extra decor that I have and see if I can use it here. I'm thinking like a lamp, plants, baskets, you know, layered things. I think it's gonna look really pretty. So I just styled this console table with pretty much anything that I had lying around. So I had extra lanterns, candles, crystals, books, a basket that I got from, where did I get this? From, I think like the Goodwill or something. Another basket just to help even out those colors. I got some greenery hanging down, a lamp because I actually always wanted a lamp on this side of the room here. I love this whole mixture of color and texture and size. I think it looks so good and helps balance out this side of the room. So I think this whole dining area is so much more complete now. What do you think?
Ooh, the crystal looks nice there.
Isn't it pretty?
That looks nice there. For sure.
With the lamp, like it just helps balance the light and stuff too.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
Oh, isn't this like, doesn't this feel like a whole chunk of space now?
Yeah, is this all centered now?
I don't know.
Eh.
What's off the table?
The table will just need to come so that it lines up with the middle of the
Excuse me, Sue. Are you my design assistant? There's so much more balance now. What do you think?
Yeah, that's better.
Love it?
Huh.
I love it.
Was that hard to build?
Not hard, it just took me probably half an hour. All right guys, I think that's it for today's decorating and organizing. I am so happy with the way everything turned out. My spice cabinet looks so good, my pans, my new rugs, I love my new rugs, and that amazing console table. I love the way it looks. I think it would look good in almost everyone's home because it just has such a simple style to it and you can really change the way it looks through its decor. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the new things that I'm adding to the house, how I'm implementing them, how I'm organizing. I love watching this type of video, so I'm just so excited to put this out as well and show you guys all around my house. If you guys like this type of video and even like this kind of vlog style video, please let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button for me. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Click the red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned on so you guys never miss a video. Love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!